And last but least, we have another boy, and his name is Cray because he's gray, and I have C names. So he's got a very beautiful, I'd say, Australian Shepherd heeler mix to him. Yeah. Oh, Cray, it's so hard being a baby puppy. It is. You're enjoying your first time outside today, you think? With the beautiful weather? Yeah. Oh, poor baby. So Cray will be ready, like I said, in December. And he is probably have the most unique coloring ever. Yeah, Cray. Okay, we're going to let you go back with Mommy now. Say goodbye, everybody. See you in December.